Hello everyone, I am Srushti Sunil Savan. Today's our topic is partial differential equation. So basically, what is partial differential equation or what is the definition of partial differential equation? So partial differential equation is an equation which involves partial derivative of a function of two or more independent variable. For example, let z is equals to f of xy. Here z is the function and x and y are the two independent variable. When we are calculating derivative of z with respect to x, keeping y constant, then we got dou z upon dou x. And when we are calculating derivative of z with respect to y, keeping x constant, then we got dz dou z. When we are taking derivative of dou z upon dou x with respect to dou x, we got dou square z upon dou x square. And when dou z upon dou y with respect to dou y, we got dou square upon z upon dou y square. So let's solve some problems on this. First problem is z is equals to cos ax plus by. So find first order derivative of this equation. So solution is, we know the derivative of cos x. The derivative of cos x is equals to minus sin x. So ax plus by is in term of x. So dou z upon dou x will be minus sin ax plus by into a. So y here is a. So we are taking with respect to x and keeping y as a constant. So constant is equals to 0. So we are keeping an a derivative of ax, which will be a. So dou z upon dou y will be minus sin ax plus by into b. Again we are keeping x as a constant, so it will be 0 and by is a derivative b. Second problem is z is equals to log of xy. Find first order derivative. So we know that the derivative of log x is equals to 1 upon x. So here dou z upon dou x will be 1 upon xy into y, because we are keeping y as a constant. So we are taking y. So y get cancelled. So derivative we will have 1 upon x. And second, dou z upon dou y will be 1 upon x y into x, because we are keeping x as a constant. So x will be get cancelled and we have 1 upon y. There are some standard rules of derivation. The first rule is, if z is equals to u plus minus v, then dou z upon dou x will be dou u upon dou x plus dou v upon dou x. And dou z upon dou y will be dou u upon dou y plus dou v upon dou y. So second rule is, if z is equals to u into v, then dou z upon dou x will be u into dou v upon dou x plus v into dou u upon dou x. And dou z upon dou y will be u into dou v upon dou y plus v into dou u upon dou y. The third rule is, if z is equals to u upon v, then dou z upon dou x will be v into dou u upon dou x into u into dou v upon dou x divided by v square. And dou z upon dou y will be v into dou u upon dou y into u into dou v upon dou y divided by v square. So let's solve some problem on this. So first problem is, find dou upon dou x if z is equals to x square into sin yx. We know that dou z upon dou x which will be equals to u into dou v upon dou x plus v into dou u upon dou x. So let's calculate. First here u is equals to x square and v is equals to sin y upon x. So x square into dou upon dou x of sin y upon x plus sin y upon x into dou upon dou x of x square. So x square will be as it is into derivative of sin x is equals to cos x yx into derivative of yx will be minus y divided by x square plus sin yx in as it is into derivative of x square is equals to 2x. So basically this minus y we take in as a first into cos yx plus 2x into sin y. It is our final answer. Thank you so much.